My name is Dr. Uchenna Franklin Okibanama. I am the head Department of Computer Science and Mathematics, Godfrey Okoye University. I want to let the public know some of the things we do here. We concentrate in training our students hands-on. We give them the opportunity to learn practical computer science. In fact, I can authoritatively say that this university, Godfrey Okoye University, is the best university in Nigeria. Our students can favorably compete with any university in the world in anything that has to do with technological advancement. We give them opportunity to learn practically, we give them opportunity to express themselves, give them opportunities to handle projects themselves. Of course, some of the students have this testimony to give.
Hi, I am Divine Wisdom.
Hello, my name is Godfrey Stephanie.
Being a student of computer science and Go Uni have been a very superb experience. I know I've been someone that is very interested in practical learning, doing anything that involves working with technologies, and coming here I have worked with so many students. I have tried to explore a lot of things like the opportunities that have been given to us, like the Blue Code Hackathon that just happened like recently.
My experience has been eventful, challenging. Our lecturers help us well to push us to unleash new potentials. My colleagues, they are always here to always help keep us motivated, the competition and all.
Also, we have a course catered to just learning how to code and work with these technologies, Go Techpreneurship, and it has been very wonderful, because even though I think I know some things, I experience new things and I tend to learn more than I think I already know.
We will equally appreciate the Vice Chancellor of this great citadel of learning, Reverend Father Professor Christian Aneke. The opportunity he has given us to express ourselves, to teach these students. He has given the department everything that we need to make sure that we can compete with any university in the world. In fact, if you're studying computer science in Nigeria and you cannot measure up with what we do here, I think you need to come. You need to bring your word here so that we coach them, give them opportunities to express themselves so that they can be well prepared to face the world, the advancement of the globalization we are talking about now is the student's ability to do things on his own in the most intelligent way. Apart from theoretical computer science, our students are good in computer programming. They develop very high-tech applications, cybersecurity, okay?
So why should people study IT at Godfrey Okoye University?
I believe that Godfrey Okoye University provide the student more opportunity, practically more than any university in the southeast or in Nigeria on the whole, because our students are given practical mentoring on how to develop projects by themselves. So bring your words, within a short time you'll see the testimony yourself. Thank you and God bless you as we expect them.